Hey guys, good morning. It's Monday morning, and I wanted to go over your Monday plans. We do have a Teams video chat this morning. So here are your this week's lesson plans. We're in Teleschool week 6, so make sure you're choosing week 6. So here is your read aloud for this week from Miss Aiken, and I've also done one with butterflies. And if you go to my YouTube channel, I should have part 1 and part 2 of butterflies, and later this week I'll do a part 3 and finish the book. And if you go to YouTube and type in my name, you should find my YouTube channel. Or if you click on the butterfly link here, you'll be at my YouTube channel and you can look for other videos, like older videos. All right, in reading today, you guys are going to watch the reading lesson from Miss Roberts. And she's going to teach you that in nonfiction books, it's important that you kind of break the book apart. Like sometimes it's already broken into chunks with the chapters, but sometimes you can break it apart into different chunks in the chapter. So you're going to watch her lesson, do her activity. Here is another book you can read online for extra. And here's a chart to help you with breaking your book apart. And if you're not able to do that, then there is a main idea worksheet on the second grade website. Math, here is a money word problems lesson. You can watch this anytime, and you can watch this over and over if you want. So this can be anytime during the week. Today in math, you're going to be telling time to the nearest 5 minutes. You're going to watch the video here, and then you're going to go back to the second grade website and do time to 5 right here. Time 5-minute intervals, and do this, please. This is not for a grade. We don't need to see it. Maybe just show a grown-up at your home to make sure you did it correctly. Then finally, today in science, you're going to go to your class link in Braden Pop Jr. and you're going to type in parts of a plant. Take the hard quiz, then draw a picture of a flower and label the parts that you learned in a video. And there is a plant song for extra if you'd like to watch that. And if you keep going below, here's the chart for reading today. So when you're done watching Miss Roberts' video, you're going to get your own nonfiction book or one online. And you can use the extra video from her if you want. And you're going to break apart the text into chunks. So you're going to decide like what parts go together. And here are your clues when to break apart the book. If you have a book at home, this might be a good time to use Post-it notes to break the book apart. And she'll teach you all about that in her lesson. That's all of the lessons for Monday. Today at 9:30 we have a Teams video chat. We are not allowed to use our Zoom anymore. So today is really just going to be a time to see if you can log on. And then tomorrow, my homeroom will have a meeting with Mrs. Myers for counseling in the morning. And Miss Strickland's homeroom will do that another day if you haven't already done that. Okay, I think that's all, guys. If you have any questions, please email me. And remember, we just need to see your graded work. And I think there's just one math grade this week. No reading or no writing grades this week. So Friday, you have a graded assignment for math. So we don't need to see anything else. So just one math assignment we need to see this week. Okay, guys, make sure you've turned in all of your graded assignments from other weeks and from last week. We are putting in grades, and I want to make sure you guys are getting credit for all the hard work you guys are doing. All the work I've seen so far has been super, super awesome. Here's Powell. He wants to show you his book.
Look, I got little pages I colored. That's a Lloyd book.
Yeah, he made a book. Isn't that cute?
Pages.
We looked up on YouTube how to make a mini book, and that's what we did one day. We did some writing and some letter work, didn't we? And made a mini book.
The front is an eye and some smiley faces.
Yeah. All right, guys, have a good Monday. Say bye.
Bye.